Dora the Explorer.
So, Signora, can you spot the road?
Why do you?
Where is the road?
Can you spot?
Can you spot it? It's in front.
The sad thing over here is there's no internet at all, but it's good if you want to take a break from all this work and all, then come here. But if you have work, make sure you take a leave and then only come, because I have work and I thought I would be sending a report now, and sadly I cannot because there's no internet.
Weather is good. We're just waiting to dip in the spring water. I mean, it's going to be very chill for sure. Just chuck this beer down, go change, and then dip ourselves out.
Also guys, you can drink here, but you cannot get pork or beef. It's only chicken. If you guys eat fish, then I mean all Goans eat fish, so yeah, you can get fish.
But drink responsibly.
Yeah, drink responsibly. We are going to get chips. That one thing which has to be in every picnic that we forgot to get.
Side quests.
Did you change or something?
Yeah.
Dora the Explorer.
So, Signora, can you spot the road?
Why do you?
Where is the road?
Can you spot?
Can you spot it? It's in front. Wow.
He told us that the shop is somewhere close by. Hopefully we are not walking for like 30 minutes because
we don't really understand the concept of close by for people like who walk almost every day.
Right.
So maybe 1 hour is far for them and half an hour is close. And they expect us to feel the same. Especially for Alistair, it's going to be even more tough because he blinkets everything.
I don't blink it everything, bro. I'm not rich. He's the guy who does everything, blink it and all. What is it?
Uncle खाता दे
या दाखवता खापा कशा ते
काजू ठेव
काजू
कोई काजू नाही
हा
कशात आहे
Oh, give me the other one, na?
लोक नाही
10 minutes later, you all
wait I'm feeding him desi shrooms
This is why you need to roam with the local.
I can put anything in my mouth at this point.
For some reason, Mario thought someone's over there. What happened?
you burped and Mario thought
So guys,
wild
so one good thing is that there is like a tar road right now from the Mati road. We've been to a tar road, so let's see where we are going.
It came at that place. We just heard a weird sound. When you clench your cheeks and you fart, you get that sound.
If you all watch Family Guy, remember when Peter tries to cough and fart? That episode, season 2, like so.
Tell now what it is.
trumpets.
No, so basically when the jackfruit tree is like wet because it's been raining and all of a sudden dries up and wind blows, so the branches kind of make that type of a sound sometimes.
Mario is one person, no, who anywhere you go, anyone
He's talking about business right now.
he just vibes with anyone and he just starts speaking and I don't know what they speak. But
But
the
look
whole-
at them. Do you think like they just met today? Just look at
Exactly.
him. Can you believe they just met today and like the way they're talking and stuff?
We've been walking for 10 minutes by and it started raining also. Oh, Kaju!
बारिश गिर रहा है हम भीग रहे हैं यार.
Go to see uncle is just walking, goes at his place, closes the door and says, thank you, amka maka pao. Say, bro.
it would be
अरे कोणा घर बिन बांधता जाल्यार चिडे आसा हिंगा पडलेले. You see just a canopy like right now, no, over here sun and then over there nothing.
This is the shop come, what is it?
The shop only basically, so it's like a gadi re. So basically, you know, you find the most awesome places in the most unexpected of places, like, you know, like see.
Bro, this just reminds of Papa House, you know?
Oh shit, yeah dude, it's so crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't really spend my childhood there, but we just went over there and y'all used to always scare me saying that there are ghosts inside and there are snakes inside, but yeah, it was nice for me. I remember y'all throwing me down the banyan tree. Okay,
Cut you off. So even we've not spent much time there, but I did stay when we were kids, I think, with my mom and dad. We have reached the location now, walking. This is a nice, beautiful cross. I like the pathway they've done over here. Sadly, by range sahi hai. I just wanted one range just to send a freaking report. I should have sent it and kept, but sadly I won't.
I should have also informed you like that there's no range over here.
Yeah, I was somewhat informed, but then I thought, like,
How bad could it be?
yeah, how bad could it be? It's worse. I am somewhat excited to go into the spring. Darren's already gone there. I think it's very cold. Is it?
Oh yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, put water in the head. Taking photo. Put water.
Put water in it.
Papa, uska hand.
Ah.
Both the hand. Both the hand. Yeah. Put water. Ah.
You like it? You like it? Yes. Is it cold? It's cold?
Cold. Very cold.
Dude literally got
That's the thing it has any.
One, two, three, go! Brandon, are you?
I think I will be going last. Let's go. His muscles are protecting him or what? I'll take. One. You come here. Before.
I'm already glad no. Yeah! Wanna fucking chill! I really love it.
I think the swimming pool water also is cold, no?
Yeah.
वो तो कहाँ है सी में यहाँ कहाँ है ना?
No, it's so nice. Hi guys.
Today I'm going to make masala. Today I'm going to make masala.
Kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a stop.
So guys, as you can see, this is the food item that is over here, and we're gonna call special guest Amanda's sister to come, and my cousin sister who's gonna tell what all is there for us.
And our cousin sister.
Oh yeah, and our cousin sister.
Hi, we ordered food from Shweta Caterers. So this is rice. Then we have Bhangra masala fry. This is patponos fry. Sol curry. Kismore is there. Prawn curry. Mango sasong. Chili chicken and salad.
So
So we very rich.
you guys excited for the food? Like last time, I don't think like last time our plate's going to be full. Ladies and gentlemen, the first person to always go next to a buffet, Mario. Oh. Why are you laughing, mates?
मासे ओरिएंटेशन आमगे रॉंग जाला शीत जाल म्हणट रिकॉर्ड आसता थंय सदां ऑनलायन पयलो
Yeah, Newton. Let it there.
Okay, guys, so this is my plate. This is Amanda's. Sadly, you didn't take chicken or what? Yeah. Did I take too much or what? And This is Darren's plate, who is there to give me company.
88%.
And I can't wait to taste this food and see how good it tastes. Okay guys, so we're gonna do the review. The only thing that's missing is lonche. Pickle they've given?
No, mom. So, auntie was nicely giving us, bro.
Yeah. The next thing what I'm having is chicken. I low-key thought it would be, I knew that bangda was there, but I low-key thought it's going to be like in a reshad or something. I'm going to eat all this and then give you guys a review. I'm going to ask others also how did they like the food, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy right now. What is your review about the food and how much would you rate it?
I would say out of 10, 7.
And did you like any specific item?
Particularly, I would say like, I don't even know what it was. But I really loved it so much. Thank you so much.
Out of 10.
8. Salsa of that dish was good, and that dried fish. What is the kismori? I like the kismori, and I like the breadfruit, that fried one. That I like.
I would rate this, being gracious here, 7.5 out of 10. Actually, surprisingly, the chicken and the curry was going well, so I like that combination. But other than that, the fish and all was good. Not something you should be overly happy about, but for what we paid for, it's very nice.
Solid 7. Love the food. Just that the fish should have been, a bit. I didn't enjoy the fish really, but overall 7 is what I'm giving. Now I just want to sleep.
I would rate the food overall an 8. The chicken was good. I felt chicken with nice roti.
Food was okay. Can say maybe a 7 out of 10. But I think the best one was the mango sasong.
Food was very nice. 8 out of 10. Patponos. Yeah, food was tasty. I like mango, this sasong. Yeah, and patponos. 7 out of 10.
The food was good, nice, yummy. We enjoyed the breadfruit kapas, and even the kismur was very nice. 9 out of 10.
My favorite item was breadfruit and kismor. It was 8 out of 10. My favorite food item was the breadfruit kappa, and I would rate it at 7.
And that was your favorite? Yes.
And from 1 to 10 number, what number are you going to give? The food was very yummy. I like the breadfruit and mango salsa. 8 out of 10. Breadfruit I like the most, and 9 out of 10. And then kismor also was very tasty. It relished it.
It's very nice. Food was very nice. Like I like the sasong, kappa. Patponos kappa was very nice. That's all very nice. And chicken. Like it. Chicken also was very nice.
And how much would you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10, maybe 8.
Hey, clap. Okay guys, so apparently there is a snake over here. Where, man?
There's my camera.
Oh shit. You guys can see it clearly on Evander's camera. I was just thinking about this, like, what if we see a snake here and finally we saw one? I think I've not given a review about this food, but I would rate this food like around 7 on 10. So Zelita has surprised us with a dessert, and she has specially made this. She's a #1 chef in the family. She makes really good food.
I make kheer.
Kheer.
Yeah, sevia.
Zelita prepares. Darren has anything. He relishes whatever Zelita prepares.
हम एक वीडियो करूया मगो कुकिंग विथ Zelita. If you're down for it, we all are down for it.
Okay, chal.
Or some dessert or something. Done, Mugo. We'll plan our date.
So creamy and so awesome. I love it. Kheer is a 9 out of 10 for sure. And for that one guy on the comment section, 10 on 10 bro. 10 on 10. Tell me how it should have been more white and creamier. Fuck face.
And now Mario is going to give us a review. Rate the kheer out of 10 and
9.5 out of 10.
Solid 9.
How much?
Solid 9.5.
Sorry. What do you guys think? Should we make a collab with Delita? Something? Some nice video. Done? Wo? Dessert. Okay, we'll plan a day where we make a nice video and we're going to upload it on YouTube.
On to making her own food.
Yeah.
Making her own food channel. We should
Made
Done.
delicious.
Yes. Oh damn. Carrying the name out.
We'll do that beef thing which that Gordon Ramsay.
Beef Wellington. But no, we'll do a dessert first. Like something cakey or chocolatey, something like that. Yeah. Okay guys, so apparently this water comes from the roots of trees and it is medicinal except for these two. And I'm going to drink this water right now. And if you're coming over here, then definitely come here and drink this. A lot of people take it from here. Plus the person who works here also goes and tries. It is medicinal, tastes like water, and definitely check it out. Okay guys, change of you can drink from here also. I thought it was specially that. So yeah, you can drink from both. Actually everywhere you can drink it.
It's all coming from the roots.
All are coming from the roof. Okay guys, I don't know if you could hear me, but yeah, you can technically drink from any of this, but yeah, if you're comfortable, drink it, otherwise it's fine. So it's up to you guys. 1, 2, 3. I don't know about Mario whether he drank or not.
Mario chickened out.
Mario chicken.
Darren also did chickened out.
Apparently Zelita is going to make tea, and Zelita's tea, actually Darren told me to mention this earlier that our family makes the best tea, and I would agree. And if you guys want to see us make a collab where we make something, a food with Zelita, where we cook and make something where she teaches us how to cook and stuff, do let me know, and we're going to make it soon. We're going to make it happen soon. I just started now. Okay. So we've come to the area where Zelita is making the tea. So as of now, the milk is boiling. So another surprising thing what Zelita got is onions so that we can do bhajiyas, and all the pretty ladies are doing the bhajiyas right now.
We have many more things with the tea. Path is there is cake, and milk tea we are making.
Bhajiyas, actually they had decided not to do, but then for some reason she got convinced, and then finally she decided.
We had got everything for the bhajiyas, all the ingredients needed. So then we decided, everyone was like, yeah, let's do if it is there.
So everyone came.
I have helpers here, 2 of my aunts, they are helping me out. Cutting the onion and everything.
Yeah. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is put the bhajiyas. Okay, Zelita, so tell us what all you have made for us, and yeah.
Okay, for the tea I made bath and then bhajia. Josephine has made some cake, marble cake I think, and milk tea.
And okay? Yeah. Good. How's the tea?
Very good. 9 out of 10.
Okay, first of all, it's damn hot. Like, damn hot. But it's good. Okay, guys, now is the bath taste test, and this was made by Zelita. 10 on 10. It's good. The next thing is bhajia. You had it?
Yeah.
How's it?
Awesome, bro. Solid 8.
Top 10, man. A solid 9.5 out of 10. Bhajias have become good, huh? थँक्यू तुका आमकां शॉपार येयले म्हणून ओके. आणि आमकां आमी एक्चुअली ते फर्स्ट टायम खाले काजू ते काडलेले ते. सो पावसाच्या टायमार किल्लो जाता ते. ओके 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 बरें थँक्यू.
बरें बरें.